So my father said, one of his favorite activities to do is feeding the birds at his house. He's got a lot of birds that he likes to feed birdseed to. And, obviously my father's got a prostate cancer diagnosis. And he said, obviously when I get older and pass away, quite frankly, hopefully it's not anytime soon, hopefully he gets into remission. But who's going to feed the birds when I die? Who's going to make sure the birds get their birdseed? My mother said, although on paper he's literally talking about birds, she thinks birds are really a metaphor for people who are dependent on him financially. She thinks, although he's literally talking about birds, he really means, the people he's taking care of, such as myself, He really means, who's going to take care of my son? And who's going to take care of my loved ones when I pass away? I guess I am like the bird, That's what my mother's take was. Although my father was concerned about the birds at his house, who would feed them when he passed away, my mother thinks he's really, it's really psychology, and he's really concerned about human beings who are dependent on him financially, such as me. I'm the bird that he's, that he wants to feed. And, unfortunately, if my father passes away, which hopefully he doesn't anytime soon, who's going to feed the bird?